The Jamaican word of the day, kunumunu. Kunumunu. A kunumunu is a simpleton, a person who acts foolishly or allows others to take advantage of them. It could sound like this in a sentence. Miss, you really make the taxi driver drive off with your change? Why you never collect it before you come out? Why? You're real kunumunu. Kunumunu. You could also use it as an adjective. In a sentence, rain a fall, and you are enclosed out a door pan the line fi dry. You know sissy a kunumunu behavior that. Do better than that, man. There you have it. Kunumunu. And all of us know one of those. But if you choose to call a person kunumunu, try not make them feel too bad. Do it the Jamaican way with enough respect.